We all know good things come in threes, and this serum is no different, with a triple threat rapid plumping complex of hyaluronic acid, polyglutamic acid, and sugarcane-derived squalane. Long story short, the hydration in this serum is going to last all day and not just evaporate after 15 minutes, which means you get to be a part of the Dewy Skin Club all day long. So how does this work? Copper peptides are clinically proven to help support your skin's natural production of collagen and elastin for smoother, firmer looking skin. And copper peptides also give it this beautiful blue hue. Not only is she effective, but she's pretty. The plumping complex in this serum really sets this apart from other hyaluronic acid serums because it provides that instant and long-term hydration, and it's never gonna leave your skin feeling greasy or sticky. I like hyaluronic acid because it draws hydration into the skin, but when you use it on its own, it has a tendency to evaporate or flash off the skin rather quickly. When you combine it with sugarcane-derived squalane, it locks in moisture, and polyglutamic acid acts as this moisture extender and prevents water loss throughout the day. It also contains paracress, a flower extract that helps to instantly and visibly lift and firm your skin. The result? Plump, hydrated, dewy, glowy, basically skin goals in a bottle.